Hey Daisies, welcome back to my channel. So today I am sharing with you a living room tour. It is a touch of fall that I did add in here, and I know I'm a little late because Christmas is fastly approaching, but I did want you guys to see what I have done with this space so far, and I hope you love it. So the first thing I'm gonna do is set my coffee table. I found these beautiful florals at Hobby Lobby, and then I'm gonna add some accents to it as we go along. These pillow covers are from Amazon. They are the same ones that I used in my prior video, which was my fall bedroom tour. I will have the link to these below in case you're interested in them. And I'm going to be also keeping this color throughout the remainder of the holiday season with my Christmas decorations as well. But I love that they're covering the pillows that came with the sofa. If you remember in a previous vlog, I took the pillow covers off, and I love these inserts. So I found these accent pieces at the at-home store. Unfortunately, I don't have a link, but I may be able to find something similar. But I thought they'd be perfect because they're super simple and minimal. Next thing that I wanted to do was change out my drapery, so I purchased these velvet drapes from Amazon. They are in the color Pillow White. They are 96 inches in length, but I absolutely love the color and I love the weight of these. These are HPD drapes. I had some of these prior, but they were in a more yellowish cream type color, and so I wanted the room to be more reflective of white. So I bought these, and I also got this curtain rod here from Target. And these curtains will be linked below as well. I'm excited to show you guys my DIY artwork. I did finish it. The only thing I may do to it is spray paint the edges of it black. But if you guys remember, I was in the at-home store and I saw a picture that I really loved. And I said that I felt like I could repurpose it, and that is what I did. And I love the way that it turned out. I actually have a video with more details on how I did it that I will include in like a vlog later on. But it turns out really good. It goes with the entire aesthetic of the room, and I love it. One thing about this new decor that I have created is that my nighttime view is a vibe. I am in love with the ambiance that it creates with my candles and my fireplace and the lighting. Everything about it is just, I don't know guys, I just call it sexy, and it's grown, and it's really relaxing and cozy. It's like a cozy room at night. So if you guys can see, hopefully you can feel the vibes through the video, but I'm in love with it. Alright guys, I'm working on transforming this picture, which originally sat up here on this wall right here. So in order to finish it, I want to make it white. And I'm gonna freestyle it. As you guys see, I'm kind of like going over it. I'm gonna freestyle it with some black and a little bit of taupe so that it matches. But this helps me to save money because the picture that I wanted, they cost quite a good bit of money. When if you already have one, you can just do this yourself. Because all the pictures in the stores are like this anyway. They're just freestyle paint. So some of y'all like might be like, oh no, why are you painting over that beautiful picture? It's just not my thing anymore. So because I love the size of it, I figured I'd just do it myself. So right now it's half and half. And it's coming together the way that I want it to. Alright guys, so I'm about to head out to get some paint. And I ran out of paint when I was painting the picture. I'll get my nails done after I get done painting, which will probably be tomorrow. But I'm going to Hobby Lobby to get some more paint. And I'm probably going to grab me something to eat too. I could have gone to Walmart because Walmart was closer, but Hobby Lobby has a lot more choices than Walmart when it comes to paint. And the brown that I put on there before I left the house, I don't like it. It looks like boo-boo. And I don't want no doo-doo painting, so I'm coming to Hobby Lobby. And I don't feel that great, so hopefully I can get my food so I don't have to come back out of the house, because I'm gonna lay on my sofa and binge watch. I started watching Jeff Lewis design show, which is actually inspiring me, especially since I have like 2 clients that I'm working with. So it's kind of giving me inspiration and giving me motivation, because I've kind of been out of it as far as motivation wise lately. And so dark. Yeah, motivation wise, I've just been kind of out of it. I don't know why. So I don't know. I think me watching home decor shows again is helping to give me motivation and making me realize why I love what I do. I haven't even been posting on Instagram or anything. Like I've just been, I don't know, I've just been in a thing and I don't know what to call it. So I do have 2 clients, like I told you guys before. So I've got to I gotta get in it, you guys. I gotta get in it. And then I have clients that have booked for Christmas already, Christmas decorations. So it's about to be October and November, about to be really busy. I'm not doing any work for anybody in December because my birthday trip is coming up, first weekend in December, and I want to make sure that I am well rested for that trip. And then I want to take some time off and, you know, just enjoy solo time and, you know, family time for the holidays. So October and November are going to be hectic, but, you know, it's going to be good. So just going to continue to like find inspiration and ways to motivate myself to get me out of the funk that I've been in, as far as feeling just really, I haven't felt like I wanted to create. I just haven't create, especially as far as interior decorating. I haven't felt like I want to create decoration and all that type stuff. Now on my TikTok, I've been creating like mini vlogs and just coming along with me and stuff like that, which I've been having fun with, because it has nothing to do with interior decorating at all. It's totally just the other side of me that is everything else. And I think, I don't know, and so I kind of going through a phase of where I'm really enjoying that. So but interior decorating is where I started, and it's also my business, so I can't, you know, I can't ignore it for too long, you know. But the break has been pretty good, I will say. And I don't know if, I don't know what it, I really don't know what to call it, guys, but it's really been like a unmotivational moment where I just haven't felt like doing any of that. So yeah, anyway, let's get in here so I can at least get this picture painted, and tomorrow I can film my fall home tour with you guys so that you can see, you know, what I have done for fall in that room, because that's probably the only room I'm touching for fall, because yeah, it just is. I'll do Christmas really big, but fall we got a pumpkin here, a pumpkin there, and some stems. And yeah, this is the doo-doo brown color that it was given, and I don't like that. It almost looks the same as these cardboard boxes, right? So we're about to use this other color paint, and I'm gonna come back and show y'all what it look like. So let's see. Oh yeah, I like this color a lot better than the other color. Time to add some more black. So I hope you guys enjoyed this video. I will see you guys in my next one, which we will start with Christmas decorating. I do have content for that. But yeah, thank you guys so much for watching, and I will see you all in my next video. Bye, daisies.